everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the Traffiq Add-on for Blender. This add-on comes bundled with additional features such as wear and tear, lights, random color, snap to ground and others to enhance the user experience and the ability to make fast changes. To quickly customize the appearance of the asset or multiple assets at the same time. Creating cars from scratch is a hard and time-consuming task. Use this car library to save time and don't waste time on making cars. Traffiq is another expanded library of realistic optimized assets of various vehicles, mostly cars for now, and Traffiq-related assets for architectural visualizations, environmental design rendering, streets, or other scenes. Some of the great features for these cars: brand new paint material with much more flexibility regarding coating, metallic flakes, and so many other customization options. Also now with improved user interface for dirt and wear sliders, bring more reality to scenes. There is also a lot of features for all the assets contained in this add-on of cars. This is gonna be using custom build of a Rig car add-on, which lets you bake wheel animation, animate along a curve, and customize the rig. There is also another feature which is the wear and tear slider, was added in Traffiq version 1.4. It enables you to add dirt, scratches, and bumps to Traffiq assets with just a few clicks. So let's get started. To show you how to install this add-on, it's a great add-on. Click on Edit, then go Preferences, then Install. And you should search for navigate to the file where you have put the Traffiq add-on. Over here, then click on Install, which is in zip file shown here. This is gonna be taking you to enable it like this. Search for Traffiq, then enable it. And when expanding, you have this lot of information about this add-on, the author. It's a Polygonic, which have created a lot of great add-ons if you want to check them on Blender Market. So documentation, we have the Traffiq install path. It's gonna be selecting the path where you have put all the assets if you want. And here is the social media and the camera store if you want to support the author and purchase different assets and different add-ons. Hit N key to show the add-on over there. It's over there. It's gonna be showing up Polygonic if you want, and we have this gonna be showing this menu. Click on Spawn Asset and hover over your mouse cursor over this car and click. It's gonna be showing different cars as shown here. Then just scroll down if you want. Have Mercedes-Benz cars and Skoda and Tata, Tesla, Toyota, different cars, Fiat and Land Rover. Also the Audi R8, for example. Let's click on Audi R8. Custom car if you want. To customize your car, click over there. Also if you want to make it editable, light support, use Traffiq. So just and when if you want to search, type the name of the car in this search box. Also go over here, click on contemporary cars to show this huge bundle of different kinds, different brands of cars, contemporary cars, aircraft. This is gonna be showing category full of different cars, like supercars for example. Click over here, it's gonna be showing the full version. It's great, and in the latest versions they have added many different cars and boats and other kinds of like motorcycles that we have over here. Click auto to show these different cars. Also is for classic cars. It's gonna be also showing motorcycles. As you click to show some motorcycles. Also we have bicycles. Bicycles, urban bicycle, urban cruiser, and different kinds of bicycles. Also for aircraft, if you want to make to add them in your project. Also what we have here, street. Also we have street signs. Scroll down to search for different kinds, different categories for street signs. Also we have public transport. Public transport like buses and trolleys. Also, if you want street signs USA, as shown here, this add-on is very amazing. Utility vehicles, SUV cars, Chevrolet, Ford, and GMC, different categories, Volvo. So we have boats, watercraft. When you hit OK, this is gonna be generating and adding this boat to the scene, and it's great with the different, the much more detailing if you want. So you can switch to cycles. I have a low-end PC. You can try to just directly switch to rendered view in order to see it with much more details and realistic materials. For example, spawn asset. So just want to select, for example, it's okay to import the airplane to the scene. So so now let's try to import some cars to the scene. For example, we have supercars. Just I'm gonna selecting this Porsche 911, hit OK, and wait until this asset is imported to your scene, shown here. This is amazing. We have this Porsche 911 car shown here with all these important parts and rigs for animation as shown here. You have many different rigs for this car. Also you can move it, and also this is gonna be helping you in animation. It's already 3D model with rigged parts and rigged different they are rigged different parts. This car, it's amazing. If you want to also to animate it and with different bunch of tools, tap to object mode as shown here.